Hey YouTubers, it's Akash here. Yeah, today I'm gonna be hot wiring the fake engine. It is losing power. Let me hot wire it. Hold on, it gives a little trouble. It has no power, it's like if it's dead. Because this supposed to remain on it, but the hot wiring, when they soldered the wire, it broke off. So right now I'm just using it through the motor. I have to start it through that and then take it off. If it was on, it would have had the power, everything. Okay, YouTubers, yeah. Well, as you can see, the radiator's only getting a little power. If it was full power, the radiator would have be spilling water all over. Yeah, I do some projects with the engine. If you read my description, project not done. Yes, well, I did some projects, and here it is. The lines run through to get the gas and water, and there you go. I go and install a new blow-off valve. Look at here. I go and install that now. Now I pause the video to install it. Alright, it says install. Check it out. Whoosh. 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 Laters, YouTubers.